I like diamonds, I like stunning.
I'm the only lady here, still the realest nigga in the room. I break the internet top 2 and I ain't number 2. My body, my ice, my cash, all real, I'm a triple threat. Fuck it up and then leave, come back, fuck it up and leave again.
What is up, baby? So we are jumping right into this makeup look because I've decided to officially just do my eye looks instead of my full face because my makeup routine is the same. So today I decided to do a little review slash tutorial on the Juvia's Place palettes. I have the Magic palette and the Zulu palette on hand. So in this video, I was utilizing both of these palettes. So the orange that I started off with that you saw in my crease came out of the Zulu palette, and that palette does not have any names on it. But then I moved into the Magic palette and I used Koji, if that's how you pronounce it. And then I went in with Ife. I'll have the pictures of the palettes on the side of my face, and I'll mark what I was using. So yeah, I used a little bit of purple from the Zulu palette, and then I went into the Magic palette with Ife. I went back and forth with these palettes, y'all, to create this really pretty look. So yeah, you're just blending this out, and in a second, I am going to cut the crease with my Nars Creamy Radiant Concealer. And so that's what we're doing. So we're cutting the crease really quick, and then that is how we are going to make these colors pop. But you always want to have like a really nice base, which is that really bright, it's like a reddish purple, reddish pink in both the palettes, and I utilized both of them. So right now I'm just cutting the crease, and I'm going to take my Beauty Bakery setting powder in the shade Yellow, and I just set that so that it won't move and that you're able to blend. So going back into that pink shade, I started off with that in the far edge, I guess you would say. You can kind of see what I'm doing, and I'm just slowly blending the colors into each other. So I'm taking the Koji and the pink from the Zulu palette, and then I'm going to take the orange and the yellow out of the Zulu palette now. And then I'm going to just continue to blend them until I get like that nice little gradient ombre effect. I shouldn't have backed out. I should have kept it closer to my eyes, but y'all see what I'm doing. And then after that, I take the really nice yellow that's in the Zulu palette as well. And that is how I created this really simple eye look. It is really not that hard. It just looks like it. And then I take a really nice white out of the Morphe 35B palette. I don't really use that palette that often, but I do use it for certain tings, and the white was one of them because I wanted the inner corner to pop. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all watch the rest of this, and then I'll come back and tell y'all my thoughts on this palette. So after blending and I really love the color pigment and the color payoff. It's not a lot of fallout. There is fallout, but that's for any type of colorful palette. You know, you're going to get fallout regardless. But they were really blendable. They were really easy to work with, and I highly recommend both of these palettes. You will need, I feel like you need the whole Juvia's Place palette in your arsenal because they are so easy to work with, and you can't go wrong with any of the colors. And then fast forwarding through the video, I just showed y'all briefly, a little quickly, how I did the rest of my face and finished it off. I always keep my setting powder underneath my eyes just in case it's really bad fallout. That way I don't have to do much but wipe it off and sweep it away, because I do my full face first and then I do my eyes unless I'm using glitter. So yeah, you're just going to see me do this to my face, and then I'm going to pop on some lashes. These are from the Amrezy Collection. I do have a discount code. I'll put it in the description box if anybody's interested. This is the style Butterfly. I really like this. It's really flary and fluffy, and I love flared out lashes, you know? They make the look pop. So, After adding my lashes, I'm going to do some highlighter because why not? The highlighter I have been obsessed with and in love with is the 08. So I added the same colors in my under eye, you know, in my waterline. That's what I did first. And then I jumped into highlighter because you can never do too much highlight. But I'm just taking the colors that I used on my eyes and going backwards underneath my eyes so that it gives that same ombre effect, making it look really, really cute. And then I took my highlighter. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy Collection because I love Amra and duh, I was going to buy it. So yeah, that is that. And boom, your girl is fine. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.